Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover the topic value of the products. Value of the products, or we can say comparing the value of product. If we start with a natural number, let's say for example if I write 2 into 3 that is equals to 6, we get the product as 6 where 6 is greater than 2, that is both the natural numbers. 6 is also greater than 3. Why? Because we know that in a number line, on a number line we have 0 in the middle, then we have on right hand side we have 1 2 3 and so on. Of left hand side we have -1 -2 -3 and so on. And as we go on right hand side of the number line, we get the number greater than the previous number. We get greater number, that is if we go on right hand side, 3 is greater than 2, we have 2 greater than 1 and so on. If we see -1 greater than -2, -3 greater than -4 and so on. And as we go on left hand side, we get smaller number, that is -2 is smaller than -1, we have -3 smaller than -2. On right hand side we have one smaller than 2, 2 smaller than 3 and so on. For fraction, now for comparing the fractions, that is let's say we have two fractions, that is a divided by b and c divided by d. To compare which fraction is greater, we will multiply d with a, write it below a, then we will multiply b with c and write it below c. Now the product, whichever the product is greater, let us say in this case if a into d is greater, then a divided by b, that is our original fraction, will be greater than the other fraction. If I take the example, simple example, that is 1 divided by 2 and 1 divided by 3, we know that 1 divided by 2 is greater. So if we multiply, that is 1 into 3, write it below 1, and 2 into 1, write it below 1. Now we know that 3 is greater than 2, so we have the fractions above 3, that is 1 divided by 2 is greater than 1 divided by 3, that is other fraction. Now let us take the multiplication of fraction. Comparing the product and fractions, we have fractions are of three types, we have already covered, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Proper fraction is of the form a divided by b, where a is less than b. We have improper fraction, that is of the form c divided by d, where numerator is greater than denominator. and mixed fraction is the improper fraction. We have already covered these three fractions in detail. Now let us start with the multiplication of two proper fractions. If I take, for example, 2 divided by 3 and 4 divided by 7 and multiply this, that is 2 divided by 3 into 4 divided by 7, that is equals to 2 4s are 8, 3 7s are 21. Now I will compare the product, that is 8 divided by 21, with both the fractions, that is 2 divided by 3 and 4 divided by 7. If I compare with 2 divided by 3, multiply 3 with 8 and write it below 8, multiply 2 with 21, write it below 21. Now 8 3s are 21 into 2, we have 42 greater than 24, so we have 2 divided by 3 greater than 8 divided by 21. So we have the product, that is 8 divided by 21 is smaller than 2 divided by 3. Now compare for 4 divided by 7, that is I will multiply 7 with 8, 8 into 7, and I will multiply 21 with 4, write it below 4, that is 7 into 8. We have 84 greater than 56, so we have 4 divided by 7 greater than 8 divided by 21. So I can say that for a two proper fraction, or any two proper fraction, if I multiply two proper fraction, the product will be smaller than each of the fraction. That is, the product 8 divided by 21 will be smaller than each of the fractions. The product of two proper fraction will be smaller than individual fractions. Now let us check for two improper fractions. Improper fractions is of the form a divided by b, where a is greater than b, or we can say numerator is greater than denominator. So let us take two improper fractions, that is 4 divided by 3 and 7 divided by 5. We will multiply these two improper fractions, that is 4 divided by 3 into 7 divided by 5. We will get 4 into 7 and 5 into 3. Now I will compare the result, that is 28 divided by 15 and 4 divided by 3. 28 divided by 15 with 7 divided by 5. 28 into 3 and 15 into 4. So we have 84 greater than 60. So I can say 28 divided by 15, that is the product, greater than the improper fraction, that is 4 divided by 5. Now let us compare 28 divided by 15, that is the product, with 7 divided by 5. We have 140 greater than 105. So 28 divided by 15 is greater than 7 divided by 5. If we observe here, we have taken two improper fractions, that is a 4 divided by 3 and 7 divided by 5, where numerator is greater than denominator, and the product, that is 28 divided by 15, is always greater than both of the improper fractions, that is 4 divided by 5 and 7 divided by 15. So I can write that product of two improper fraction is greater than both individual improper fractions. Now let us take the case for one proper fraction and one improper fraction. That is, if I take one proper fraction 2 divided by 3 and one improper fraction, that is 5 divided by 2, then I will get the product, that is equals to 2 divided by 3 into 5 divided by 2, that is equals to 5 divided by 3. Now I will compare 5 divided by 3 with both of the fractions, that is one proper fraction 2 divided by 3 and 5 divided by 3 with improper fraction, that is 5 divided by 2. 3 into 2, 5 into 3, 15 is greater than 6, so I can say 5 divided by 3 is greater than 2 divided by 3. 5 into 2 and 5 into 3, 10 and 15. We have 15 greater than 10, so I can say 5 divided by 3 is smaller than 5 divided by 2. If I observe here, that is product, that is 5 divided by 3 is greater than the proper fraction, that is 2 divided by 3, and the product, that is 5 divided by 3, is smaller than improper fraction, that is 5 divided by 2. So if we take the proper fraction, then the product will always be greater than the proper fraction, and if we take improper fraction, the product will be smaller than the improper fraction, that is product will be smaller than improper fractions. Now let us check the theory. Value of product. They have taken the proper fraction, that is 2 divided by 3 and 4 divided by 5. Multiplication, that is 4 into 2 is 8, 3 into 5 is 15. The multiplication will be smaller than each of the fraction, that is 2 divided by 3 and 4 divided by 5. And for rest all the example, the product will be smaller than the individual fraction. The product, that is the 2 divided by 35, will be smaller than individual fraction, that is 1 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 7. So we can say that when two proper fractions are multiplied, the product will be less than each of the fraction, or the value of product of two proper fraction is smaller than each of the two fraction. Now let us check for two improper fraction, that is 7 divided by 3 when numerator is greater than denominator, 5 divided by 2 where 5 is greater than 2. If we multiply, we will get 35 divided by 6, and product will always be greater than the improper fraction, that is 7 divided by 3 and 5 divided by 2. Product, that is 35 divided by 6, will always be greater than the individual fraction. So we can say that the product of two improper fraction where numerator is greater than denominator, the product will be greater than each of the two fraction. And for proper and improper fraction, the product, that is 14 divided by 5, will be smaller than the improper fraction, that is 14 divided by 5 is smaller than 7 divided by 5, and 14 divided by 5, that is product, is greater than the proper fraction, that is 2 divided by 3. In next lecture, we will start with exercise 2.2. Thank you.